Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yang terhormat Bapak Ibu dosen penguji uji kinerja PPG dalam jabatan Kementerian Agama Republik Indonesia tahun 2025. Perkenalkan, saya Imro'atus Solihat, peserta PPG dalam jabatan tahun 2025 di LPTK Universitas Negeri Semarang, NIM 2598010. Saat ini saya mengajar di MTS Negeri 2 Ogan Ilir pada mata pelajaran Bahasa Inggris untuk kelas 8. Bagi saya, menjadi guru bukan hanya tentang mengajar, tetapi juga tentang membimbing, menginspirasi, dan tumbuh bersama anak-anak didik kita. Saya berharap melalui PPG ini, saya dapat menjadi guru yang lebih profesional, mampu menginspirasi, dan membawa perubahan positif bagi peserta didik saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih dan selamat menyaksikan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. Good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine too, thank you. I'm glad to hear that. May we stay healthy and always motivated to learn. Okay, now let me check your attendance. Please raise your right hand and say yes ma'am or present ma'am. Ahmad Zahyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Akila?
Yes, ma'am.
Azhadil Azam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Please, Marcel, you lead the prayer.
Before we study, let's pray to our God together. Begin. Finish.
Now, students, please stand up. We are going to sing our national anthem as a symbol of our love to our country. Yeah. For the next, we are going to play a short game. It's called Stand Up If You. So, everyone, please you stand up if the statement here is true for you. Yeah, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand up if you like spicy food. Wow, everyone likes spicy food. Next. Oh, you don't like spicy food? No. Sit down, please. Stand up if you love ice cream. Oh, yes. So everyone is like sweet food. Okay. Sit down, please. Stand up if you love instant noodle. Kayaknya semuanya suka ya kalau instant noodle. Okay, next. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. What about this? Stand up if you are brave to speak English in class. Oh. Good job. Okay, next. Stand up if you have a pet at home. Okay, what do you have?
I have 2 cats.
Okay, how much is cat? Apa catnya? Oh, cat. What about you?
Okay.
Oh, ya, semuanya punya cat. Okay, thank you, sit down please. Stand up if you woke up late today. Siapa yang hari ini bangunnya telat? Oh, what time you woke up?
Jam 6.30.
30? Okay, okay, thank you.
Now, let me ask you a question. Have you ever described a person, maybe your idol, or a place or animal?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. What did you say to describe person? Okay, Shakira.
I love Stefano. He is actor Indonesia.
Okay.
He is handsome. He is brave. He is tall. He is perfect for me.
Okay, thank you, Shakira. Good description, ya. Okay, give applause to your friend. Okay, good job. Means that you have already know a little about today's topic. So today we are going to learn about descriptive text. Why it is important to learn descriptive text? Because by learning descriptive text, you are going to know how to introduce yourself better, describe about animal, about place, and about something. Ya, jadi dengan kita mempelajari descriptive text, itu kalian akan bisa dalam mendeskripsikan sesuatu. Nah, harapannya kalian itu mampu mendeskripsikan sesuatu di dalam bahasa Inggris dengan lebih baik dan penuh percaya diri. Nah, jadi hari ini pembelajaran kita adalah descriptive text. Tujuannya adalah pembelajaran nanti diharapkan kalian mampu mengidentifikasi kosakata adjektif dalam teks deskriptif, kemudian mampu menjelaskan struktur dari deskriptif, yaitu identification and description, menyebutkan tujuan komunikasi dari teks deskriptif. Ya, tujuannya apa sih teks deskriptif itu? Menyusun teks deskriptif sederhana tentang idola, hewan, ataupun tempat favorit, dan menyajikan teks deskriptif sederhana secara lisan di depan kelas dengan percaya diri. Oke? Are you ready to learn? Ready? Oke.
Okay, students, I have divided you into a group. Each group has mixed members. Jadi, Ma'am sudah membagi kalian dalam beberapa grup. Grupnya dari heterogen, ya, campuran. Ada yang termasuk beginner, ada yang termasuk intermediate, ada juga yang sudah termasuk advanced. Grup ini berdasarkan dengan diagnostic test yang sudah kita lakukan di pertemuan sebelumnya. Okay, now, nah ini ya, ini grupnya sudah dilakukan. Nah, sekarang please go to your group and sit with your friends. Okay, now. Semuanya. Ya, group 1, group 2, 3, 4, 5. Level will get different tasks ya based on the level. Jadi level-level ini masing-masing punya tugasnya. Yang beginner will get easier task, yang beginner akan dapatkan tugas yang agak lebih mudah. Yang intermediate itu dapatkan tugas yang menengah, yang sedang-sedang. Advanced ya, you will get more challenging task. Ya, yang advanced akan dapatkan tugas yang agak challenging. Okay, students, we have learned about adjective, right?
In our previous meeting, we learned about adjective. Do you still remember? What is adjective? Apa itu adjective? Sifat. Ya. Definisi lainnya? Oke.
The word that describe a noun.
Oke, good job ya. Thank you, Nur. Give applause to your friend. Oke, adjective is a word to describe a noun. Ya, who can make example? 3 to 5 adjective. Oke, Sakira. Diligent. Oke, good job. Lazy. Oke.
Hungry.
Hungry.
Angry.
Angry.
Smart.
Smart. Okay, that's the examples of adjective. So you still remember about adjective.
Adjective tells us more about people, ya, animal, or place. Jadi adjektif itu masih tahu kita tentang orang, ya, tentang orang, tentang hewan, tentang tempat. Nah, nanti kita akan menggunakan banyak adjektif ya di dalam pelajaran atau pembuatan deskriptif teks. Ini kan punya LKPD ya, lembar kerja kalian. Oke, pembagian tugasnya pun ini lengkap dan materinya juga lengkap di sini. Walaupun nanti ada penjelasan dari yang kurang kalian pahami, kalian bisa baca lagi di dalam LKPD ini ya. Satu bro, satu.
Okay, now we are going to watch a video. Yeah, let's watch the video.
Describing people. Tall, short. He is tall. He is short. Slim, thin, fat, plump. He is thin.
Boleh dicatat ya. Apa yang kalian dengar boleh dicatat.
Young, middle age, old. She is young. She is middle aged. She is old. Beautiful. Ugly. She is beautiful. She is ugly. Handsome. He is handsome. Hair. Short hair. Bald. Blonde hair. Dark hair. What does she look like? She has straight dark hair. She has green eyes.
Barunya kadang-kadang ada satu yang bukain dan gue aja.
What does he look like? He is tall.
Paling kalau diulang lagi kaget.
He has short curly hair. What does she look like? She is short and fat. She is old. She is plump. She has a scarf. Goodbye. See you next time.
After we watch the video, who in this class are able to mention the adjectives? Okay. Yeah. Oh, short, slim, fat, young, middle-aged. Okay, good job ya. Give applause to Aisyah.
That is the examples of adjective. Ya, itu tadi contoh-contoh adjective. Nah, now I have some unique photos. Do you know him? Yes. Who is he? Raffi Ahmad. Ya. Who in this class can mention the adjective to describe Raffi Ahmad? Siapa sih yang bisa menyebutkan adjective yang mendeskripsikan Raffi Ahmad? Oke, William. Oh, energik. Oke, good. Next. Friendly. Hardworking. Okay. And then? Charismatic and? Humoris. Okay, good job. Yeah, thank you, brilliant. Okay, the next. Look at the picture. Do you know the cat? Pororo. Ya, si kucing viral di TikTok. Pororo. Sekarang lihat gambar. Look at the picture. And who are able to mention the adjective? Siapa yang bisa menyebutkan adjective tentang gambar ini? Ayo, Marcel.
He is cute.
Cute. Okay, cute. And then? Playful. Okay. Good job. Thank you, Marcel. Ya. Next. Nah, ini salah satu yang kita sering lihat ya. Apa ini? What picture is this? Sungai, river. Ya, sungai. Kalau kalian lihat sungai, kalian apa sih yang ada dalam pikiran kalian? Ya, who are able to mention the adjective? Siapa? Oke, Azam.
White.
Hah? White. White. Oh, white ya. Lebar. Oke, next. Apa lagi? Hah? Oh, beautiful. Oke. Next. Oke. Peaceful. Terus long ya, sungai ya. Panjang. Hah? Oke, famous ya. Kan sungai di sekitar kita sini ya. Nah, sering lihat kan kalian? Berdasarkan gambar tadi, kalian sudah bisa menyebutkan adjective yang menggambarkan si gambar tadi ya, 3 tadi. Di video juga tadi tentang adjective. We can use adjective in descriptive text. Jadi kita akan menggunakan adjective di dalam descriptive text. Sekarang memang akan jelaskan descriptive text. Apa itu descriptive text? Descriptive text is a text that is used to describe people, animals, place, or something else. Jadi, descriptive text itu adalah teks yang digunakan untuk mendeskripsikan sesuatu. Bisa itu orang, bisa itu hewan, bisa itu tempat. The key is to use many adjective. Kuncinya adalah menggunakan banyak adjective. Adapun bagian-bagiannya, the structure of descriptive text itu ada 2. Yang pertama, ada identification atau opening, ya, introduction. Bagian ini, introduce or identity about the object, person, people, thing to be described. Ya, jadi bagian ini menjelaskan apa sih yang akan kita bicarakan atau akan kita deskripsikan. Ya, misalnya, ya, I have a best friend. Her name is Aisyah. Aisyah ya, ada Aisyah di kelas ini ya. I have a best friend. Saya punya teman. Teman saya Aisyah. Kita mau nyeritain teman kita. Jadi di bagian identification, apa sih yang akan kita deskripsikan? Yang kedua, ada description. Description to describe parts, qualities, characteristics of the subject. Bagian deskripsi selanjutnya adalah kita menyebutkan ciri-ciri dari apa yang kita jelaskan tadi. Ciri-cirinya, for example, she has long black hair, smart, friendly, and always helpful. Dia punya rambutnya yang panjang, dia pintar, dia ramah, kemudian dia selalu membantu. She wears a white hijab and looks beautiful. Dia menggunakan jilbab putih dan terlihat cantik. Nah, dalam membuat descriptive text itu kita menggunakan simple present tense. Oh ya, simple present tense adalah tenses yang kita gunakan ketika kita menyatakan kegiatan yang merupakan kebiasaan, rutinitas, ataupun yang dilakukan pada saat masa kini. Oke? Nah, ini contoh lengkapnya dari teks deskriptif ya. Contohnya kalau kita mau deskripsikan tentang kucing. Jadi yang pertama ada identification. Kita bilang dulu apa yang mau kita deskripsikan. Ini kucing ya, this is my cat. Nah, kalian ada tadi yang punya kucing kan? This is my cat, his name is Miko, namanya Miko. Ya, terus di bagian description kita menjelaskan ciri-cirinya, ya, ciri-ciri fisiknya. Ciri-cirinya yang ini, he has soft white fur and big green eyes. Miko is playful and likes the small balls. He is friendly and cute. Ya, jadi kita bisa menggunakan adjektif tadi pada bagian ini untuk menjelaskan ciri-ciri. Ya, kalau ciri-ciri orang tuh berarti kita bisa gunakan adjektif kayak tall tadi ya, short, slim. Kan kita ngomong tentang umurnya, young, ya, old, dan lain-lain. Kalau hewan seperti ini, ciri-ciri fisiknya gimana ya? Oke? Nah, jadi singkatnya, identification itu tentang apa yang akan dideskripsikan. Sementara description adalah tentang ciri-ciri dari apa yang mau kita jelaskan. Sampai sini, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan? Ada pertanyaan? No? No question? Sekarang kita akan mulai diskusi ya. We are going to start our discussion. Nah, diskusinya berdasarkan level tadi punya bagiannya masing-masing. Beginner, intermediate, dan juga advance. Silakan dibuka LKPD-nya. Ada teks di sana. Ada teks 1 sampai 5. Ya, teks 1 untuk grup 1. Teks 2, grup 2. Teks 3, grup 3. Teks 4, grup 4. And teks 5, grup 5. Yang beginner, you underline the adjective in the text. Yang intermediate, you identify which one is identification, which one is description. Yang advance, you need to make a conclusion about the text. Intinya kesimpulannya teks itu ngomongin tentang apa sih secara garis besar. Oke? You get it? Paham? Paham ya? Oke.
Sama? Apa tugas kalian? Yang intermediate? Oke, apa tugas kalian? Oh iya, mengklasifikasikan identification and description. Finish? Yes, oke, good job. Kemudian yang advance. Oke, advance kedua ya, Marcel sama Akira. Sudah bikin pembusunya. Oke, good job. Have you finished everyone? Yes. Let's start from group 1.
The adjective is cute, small, white fur, and blue eyes. The identification is, my cat is named Lulu. The description is, she is very cute and small. She has white fur and blue eyes. She likes to sleep and drink milk. Lulu always follow me whenever I go. She is my best friend at home. The conclusion is, Lulu is a cute and lovely pet.
Oke, so what's this text about? Ya, tentang apa teksnya tadi?
The cat.
Tentang cat. Oke, tuh lihat jawabannya ya. Give applause to your friend. Ya, good job, group 1. Oke, sit down please. Don't please.
Now, group 2.
The adjective is big, beautiful, and full. The identification is Borobudur Temple is in Central Java. The description, it is the biggest Buddhist temple in the world. The temple is very beautiful and full of reliefs on the walls. It has many levels with hundreds of stupas. Many local and international tourists visit Borobudur every year. It is one of Indonesia's cultural heritage. The conclusion is Borobudur is a beautiful and famous Buddhist temple.
Okay, so the text is about?
Borobudur Temple.
Okay, good job. Group 2, give applause to your friend.
Thanks.
Next ya. Group 3 siapa? Semuanya sekarang.
The adjective of the text 3 is large, clean, big, and fresh. The identification of the text 3 is, this is my classroom. The description is, it is large and clean. There are 20 chairs and 10 tables inside. The walls are white and decorated with some posters. The classroom has 2 big windows, so the air is fresh. I really enjoy studying in the classroom. Conclusion is, my classroom is large, clean, and comfortable for studying.
Okay, so the text is
about classroom.
Classroom. Okay, good job, group 3.
The adjective about is famous, beautiful, long, friendly, kind, and young. The identification is, this is my, Raisa is a famous Indonesian singer. Description, she has a beautiful voice and long black hair. She is friendly and often smiles at her fans. Raisa usually wears simple but elegant clothes on stage. She is also very kind and inspires many young people. That's why many students admire her. Consolation, Raisa is a talent, beautiful and inspiring.
Good job. Yeah, give applause to your friend. Next, last group.
The identification is, this is my favorite bag. The description is, it is red and medium size. The bag has the pockets and a long strap. I always use it when I go to school. It is very strong, so I can put many books inside. I like it because it was a birthday gift from my mother. Conclusion, my favorite bag is strong, usable, and special.
Okay, ya, good job. Give applause ya, friend. Ada yang memberikan tanggapan tentang diskusi kita tadi? Sudah? Ya, sampai sini kalian paham tentang descriptive text? Paham? Ya, I have some pictures. You may see in your worksheet. Ya, Mem punya beberapa gambar. Gambarnya bisa kalian lihat di dalam worksheetnya. Okay, you are going to make a simple descriptive text based on the pictures. Each group may choose one of the picture. Nah, ini gambar-gambarnya ini ya. Each member of the group, you have different tasks. Kalian bisa lihat di worksheet tugasnya. Ya, sini Mem jelaskan dulu. Untuk yang beginner, tugasnya adalah you need to mention the adjective. Ya, kalian sebutkan. Misalnya kalian pilih gambar 1. Ya, kalian sebutkan 5 atau 6 adjektif. Ya, ditulis adjektifnya. Kemudian untuk yang intermediate dan advance, ya, berkolaborasi untuk menggunakan adjektif yang sudah disebutkan oleh teman kalian tadi, ya, untuk dikembangkan menjadi suatu kalimat. Ya, misalkan ada adjektifnya disebutkan 6 ya, berarti kalian bikin 6 kalimat berdasarkan adjektif tadi, ya. Nah, dibuat menjadi 5 sampai 6 kalimat sederhana, ya, yang merupakan descriptive text. Nah, descriptive text itu ingat, ada bagiannya, ada identification, ada description. Discuss with your friend, ya. Which picture will you choose? Oke, gambar mana yang akan kalian pilih? Sudah? Jangan sama ya dengan grup lainnya biar seni teksnya variatif. Oke, grup 1 Prabowo, grup 2. Grup 2, what about you? Ampera. Oke, what about you, grup 3? What picture will you choose? Tentang burung ya. Okay, what about you? Fish. Okay. Next. Blackpink. Okay. Ya, sekarang silakan bekerja sesuai dengan bagiannya. Finish everyone? Finish. If you have already finished, we are going to have presentation. So, you need to present your descriptive text. Who want to be the first? Siapa yang mau duluan? Okay. Please come forward.
Hi. Good morning, everyone. Today, my group and I will present our descriptive text. We choose to describe about my President Prabowo. We hope you enjoy our presentation. Thank you. The title is my President Prabowo Subianto. The adjective is strong, serious, black hat, white t-shirt, brave, confident, respect, and responsible. The identification is Prabowo is the President of Indonesia. The description is he is strong and has a serious face. He usually wear a black hat and white t-shirt. Prabowo is a brave and confident leader. Many people respect him because he is responsible. That's all our presentation about my President Prabowo. We hope you can understand our description. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, good job, Group 1. Please, Group 5, give comments to this group.
Well done, Group 1. Your text is ready.
Okay, please sit down. Thank you. Next.
Siapa? Group 2? Maybe group 2? Group 5?
Okay, Group 5, please come forward.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Today, my group and I will present our description text.
we chose today's script. We hope you enjoy our presentation. Thank you. They are energetic and cool.
You can understand our business. Thank you for your attention.
Good job. Kalian ada pembagian tugasnya masing-masing. So, support. You please give comment to this group.
But please make louder.
Please louder katanya. Suaranya ada yang kecil. Oke. Yang selain itu sudah bagus semua. Silakan duduk. Keep focus to your friend.
Lagi kita Oke. Good morning everyone. Today my class is Good morning everyone. Today my group
Please show what to give to this group. Oke, katanya ada satu dari t-shirt. Terima kasih ya, friends. Now, for video lupa ya, terakhir ya. Oke.
Good morning everyone. Today is my group and I will first describe them. I shall to describe my cute kids. We hope you enjoy our presentation. Thank you. I have a small fish in my throat.
This will can be released every I think it will this good parts of the day. The volume has been water and some hot breath. I think my this makes me feel calm and happy.
That's all our presentation is about my fish. We hope you can understand our description. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, good job, group 4. Cepat ya, what to give the comment?
Will next time Edward sentence.
Okay.
Will next time Edward sentence.
That's more sense. Oke, ya overall sudah good semua ya. Oke, silakan duduk, keep up your friend. Oke, semuanya sudah lagi ya. I think teks ya overall sudah bagus, sudah baik ya, excellent. Oke, mungkin ada sedikit perbaikan ya. Maybe communication or you say the adjective apa namanya penggunaan adjektifnya masih agak kurang ya. Oke, that's okay ya. Nanti kedepannya bisa diperbaiki. Now, before we close our lesson today, let's do the discussion. Ya, kita belajar hari ini. Ya, what have we learned today? Apa sih yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini? Apa? Say it louder. Ya, what have we learned today? Today we have to learn about descriptive text. Ya, in your opinion, ya, which part is easy and which one is difficult? Manakah bagian yang menurut kalian mudah? Manakah yang menurut kalian sulit? Identification. Make the right identification. Bagian yang susah. No. Oh, the easiest one is identification, making identification, kan? That's please. Yeah. So, who in this class are able to mention the adjective that we use today? Dan siapa di kelas ini yang bisa menyebutkan adjektif yang kalian masih ingat? Satu. Oke, beautiful. Oke, ada lagi nggak? Banyak adjektif tadi ya? Smart. Oke. Oke. Strong. Oke. Cool. Good. Set. Oke, good job ya. Jadi kalian punya ingatan ya, masih ya tentang adjektif. So, ya. To make conclusion, yeah, what we learn today is descriptive text. Yeah, descriptive text is a text to describe people, animal, place, and so many things. Atau hal-hal yang lainnya bisa kita deskripsi. The key kuncinya adalah di dalam deskripsi text we use many adjectives. Yeah. For your homework untuk PR-nya, tugas kalian di rumah, take a picture of one of your favorite things. Jadi ambil gambar tentang apapun yang kalian sukai, and then make a description. Buatkan description-nya, descriptive text-nya yang terdiri dari 5 sampai 6 kalimat. Ya, tentukan dulu adjektifnya apa, lalu kalian jabarkan menjadi sebuah kalimat ya, menjadi 5 sampai 6 ya. Sampai sini, is there any question? No question? No? Tidak ada pertanyaan tentang pelajaran yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini. So, good job everyone. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to keep learning in your house. Keep practicing English. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Give applause to yourself.